Death by AI. I'm watching
Death
K-pop
by
Demon Hunters.
AI.
Fun, please.
Who is the doll figure?
Death by AI.
We're not doing Death by AI with you two.
I am.
Please. It's fun.
I'm not doing Death by AI.
Chris Hansen or some shit.
Look, Chris Hansen.
I know you're outside, but do it.
And he left.
No! Why? Why?
It's a show about death.
He just died.
Okay, I'm trying to put on K-pop Demon Hunters. Yay! I was watching some of it yesterday.
I already watched it. It's pretty good, I guess. The songs slap.
Can y'all see it?
Yes, I can.
Can you hear it?
Yeah, we can hear fucking Soda Pop.
Okay, resume. Resume playing because I was watching it.
Bed reveal is wild.
Can you guys actually see it?
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay.
Hey, guess who's
Yay.
back?
I'm back.
Back again.
Here's the yes. I'm on the other side.
Bro's on the other side
Watching-
of something.
Yeah, the dorm.
We're watching K-pop Demon Hunters. Shut up.
Of course, the people are.
I dare you to scream as loud as you can. I love the fan. Nah,
We're watching K-pop Demon Hunter.
No. Why does he keep leaving?
Welcome. Fine, whatever, fan.
Yeah, the fan. It's so cool.
I kind of want to restart it from the beginning just because I like this song.
No. I mean, I've already seen it, so I don't really care. Yeah, she's just dying. Spoiler alert, she dies at the end.
Shut up. She does not.
She gets killed by her own mother, who's dead.
Her mother's already dead.
Yeah, but...
Shut up and watch it before I force mute you.
Oh no.
Free.
Wow.
Okay, can reschedule another live show with Jake. I don't know my voice. Wait, in trouble? Then why did you push up the golden release? Because we're so close, and it's so important. Okay.
So close.
I should call Celine. We know what she'd say, though. Oh, right. We are hunters. What's this show? Your hopes and fears must never be seen. You sound exactly like her. Yeah, that's exactly it. That's it. No, but that's what we gotta hide. We gotta hide it to fix it. Why don't we take a break? Well, skip the Idol Awards this year, and no way. It's our most important show. It's when we strengthen the hormones for the entire year. We can't skip it. Just can't. Oh, and I'm so close.
Maybe what's the show called again?
K-pop
It's a movie
Demon
called
Hunters.
K-pop Demon Hunters.
Okay.
It's on Netflix.
It's pretty good.
Are we watching it though?
Yeah.
Watching it, but I just decided to put it on for you guys because I felt like it.
Yeah. I mean, I guess this
Oh my
is
god,
my
it's gonna
second
be Soda
time.
Pop. It's gonna be Soda Pop. It's gonna be Soda Pop. Okay, we can skip this part. I want to watch Soda Pop already.
Fuck Soda Pop. That's the worst song.
I don't care. I'm gonna put it on max volume because you hate it so much.
Aww. The best one is Takedown.
Hurry before someone sees us. No introduction. So, a problem with your voice.
I love this guy.
I think that will work super fast. Okay.
He's so
The part must understand. I see. I see. No, actually I don't. Very strange. You have lots of walls. Whoa. So good, right? I need walls. Walls? I don't have walls.
Wow.
Yeah, you do.
That's wild.
Focus. But focusing on one part leads to ignoring other parts. Making you separated, isolated. Emotionally closed off? Yes. He's also a workaholic, doesn't know how to relax. I bet she was in the bathhouse. Oh my gosh, yes! Dude, we've been trying to take her to the bathhouse forever!
Why go to the bathhouse? Just take a bath at your own house.
Goodness to please. What? I'm not like that. You guys would tell me if I was really like that, right? Yeah, that's right. Okay, how does this help?
She sounds like Baggy.
She does. And I like Vaggy, so I like her.
Just give us the voice juice. I know just the tonic.
The voice juice.
Us? Oh, your tonics are ready. We got the tonic. We got the tonic. Yay! Once your voice is fixed, that's the important stuff. Like the fans.
Oh god, not this scene.
Yeah, you can skip that. Just skip everything with those fucking bitches.
Oh my god, I hate that scene.
I just hate the
Okay.
all male
You
characters in
hate
that movie.
Sasha voice, I get it. Music.
Oh no. Hey, he's back. But he's still muted.
I'm Chris Hansen, and you're on How to Catch a Predator. Now, we're going to be discussing this weird rat poison person.
No! Cheesecake is not a critter.
So, no, Cheesecake, explain who this doll person is.
Huh?
I love eating cheesecake. It tastes so good.
What?
Shush.
Wait, what is bro doing in a hotel room?
Dorm, actually.
Scream right now. Aw.
It's a moment catchy though. Infectious.
Alright, we got the dorm. We got
Bet.
that.
I? Kill me.
Baby Sasha is a rapper.
Yeah, fuck Baby Sasha.
And we have this.
Demons and we killed them.
Bro, what the
Let's
flip?
try to kill all these people. It doesn't look like they're gonna hurt anyone.
And this is basically it. I
Wow,
will swap.
that's a lot of Lego you got there.
It's not the best, but it works at least. That's a small TV.
No, it's not. You just
But I should
have
not be
big
talking because
eyes.
there is no TV in here. Give me back the Switch, dang it.
Just choose your phone.
My roommate took my Switch because that's like the only thing good I have. Because he has a flip phone for some reason.
Why?
Flip phone? What the
Yeah, bro, I have a
flip?
flip phone.
Bro's
Anyways,
got a flip phone. What
Here's
the
the
fuck?
bed.
Aight. Looks pretty comfy.
Yeah, even though there's no actual mattress thing.
Yeah, fuck that.
I don't know.
Just sleep
So I
on
have
the
to use a
floor.
sleeping bag. I use the mattress, but I go on the sleeping bag because this is dirty.
I hope you like reverse the camera and accidentally face reveal.
Real.
And I'm stuck. Ish.
Did you
Whatever.
drop the?
Val, we all know you said you were gonna be the first one.
They dropped. I almost fell last night. Jonathan is crazy.
Joshua,
Johnny?
it's Joshua.
Johnny, yes, eating sugar.
Stop with the Yuri cheesecake or you're going to jail.
Okay,
Fine.
Cheesecake jail.
stop. We'll stop. Me and Val will behave.
Ow, ow, my balls. Ow.
Stop with the Yuri.
We're not doing anything. Oh wait, the
Just one
Yuri.
more. Just one more time, please.
Yes, do it so I can put more emojis on it.
Just one more time, bro. What you talking about?
Who put these eggs on the movie?
I actually
You're a
think
wall.
cheesecake
Anyway.
skin color is
What?
purple
We're
guy.
not playing that. We're not playing that game, Val.
I'm talking about.
What?
Who? What?
And you're never gonna reach your goal weight because you eat when you're sad. This guy knows what I'm talking about.
Nah,
I'm
that's
pointing at
why.
Chris Hansen, by the way.
They're talking
Pointing at
about
Carlos,
me.
by the way.
Yes, I know.
You're
Shut
talking
You're never
about
gonna
a
reach your goal weight
bald
because you
guy.
eat when you're sad.
Shut up.
Baldy. Yo, what
I don't know
happened
about that
to
anymore.
K-pop
That
Demon
was kinda
Hunters?
boring.
It just like
I turned it off.
Yeah, bro didn't want to do that anymore. Like what the
I'm
frick?
done.
Bro was born in a Lego casket. What the fuck?
A casket.
Yeah.
Wait, why a casket?
Caskets are for death.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, that's a coffin. What the fuck?
Coffin and casket mean the same thing.
Nah,
You mean a
bro.
crib.
Oh, what
You
the
mean
fuck?
a crib.
Yeah, I meant a crib, bro. Oh
was
my
British.
days. That's a huge
British.
fuck up moment.
Your apartment.
If you come to Denmark, I'm gonna give you 5,000 fucking Lego bricks.
Yes.
And then we're gonna build Lego guns and we're gonna target cheesecake.
Why'd you say Yuri? Yes.
No.
Let's write that to the list.
Predator.
Guys,
Oh, cheesecake. Who was the
guys,
fella?
guys, I have a list. I have a list. So we got cheesecake, kinda short brown hair, and just like Carlos just said, ugly. Lasili, long braided brown hair, glasses, and Carlos, no hair, no hairline, hair loss, no hair at all, and non-hairy. Bro is dying. What the fuck? Did I kill him? Did I kill him, bro?
Probably.
Oh my face! What the fuck? Someone should like smack him in the back. Bro, what the fuck?
Drink water.
He's actually dying, bro. What is this?
Got it.
Yeah.